If you're broke, it's not always about income, it's about rules. Most people treat money emotionally, while the rich treat it systematically, and that's the difference. Here are the 7 rules of money that the rich people never break. Number 1. Pay yourself first. Before they spend $1, rich people invest in their future. Most people wait to save what's left. Rich people save before they spend. Automate a fixed percentage to saving or investments the moment you get paid. This flips the script. You work for you, not just bills. Once you lock in this mindset, the next rule becomes easier. Never rely on one income. Single income means single point of failure. The wealthy build multiple streams, dividends, businesses, royalties. Start with a side hustle, even if it's just $200 a month. That tiny stream can one day become your safety net or your freedom plan. Now let's talk about how the rich never lose money. Rich people care about not losing money than just making more. They use insurance, diversification, and emergency funds strategically. The average person jumps into high risk plays without a cushion. Think defensive first, offense comes later. And when they do go on offensive, they follow the next rule. Buy assets, not status. Assets put money in your pocket. Status takes it out. New car, liability. Rental property, asset. The rich buy cash flow things, while others collect lifestyle debt. Rule of thumb is, if it shines but drains you, skip it. The next rule explains how they afford those assets. While you sleep, your money should hustle. Investing in stocks, real estate, or even a high yield saving account beats hoarding cash. Compound interest is the silent engine behind real wealth. Start early. Even $100 today is better than $1,000 10 years later. But where do they even find that $100? That's rule number 6. Track every dollar. Wealthy people know where their money goes, down to the penny. Broke people guess and wonder where it went. Use an app, spreadsheet, or notebook. Just track it. Awareness is the first step to control, because once you are in control, you can follow the final rule. Make time for money. Money isn't just earned, it's managed. Set aside time each week to review, plan, and learn. The rich treat money like a business, not a reaction. 1 hour a week can change your entire financial future. These rules aren't secrets, they are systems. Follow them and wealth stops being luck.